Whether you're dealing with houseflies, fruit flies, or other varieties, understanding why they come and how to get rid of them is crucial. Hi, I'm Alicia, and today I'm going to show you how to control flies both inside and outside your home. Let's get into it. Let's start with why flies come around in the first place. Flies are typically attracted to food sources, moisture, and decaying organic matter. Indoors, this means they're often drawn to food left out, spills, rubbish bins, and even pet food. Outside, they're attracted to compost piles, animal waste, and damp areas where they can lay eggs. So start by keeping anything like this covered up. Understanding the type of fly you're dealing with can help you target them more effectively. Houseflies are usually found near food sources and waste, while fruit flies are attracted to overripe fruit and fermented products. Drain flies love moist areas like sinks and drains, whilst blowflies are often found around decaying matter, such as food scraps or waste. Now let's talk about your options for controlling these pests. When it comes to products, you can choose between organic solutions and pesticide-based products, depending on your preference. For those who prefer a combination approach, you can use both organic and pesticide-based options, depending on the area. For example, you might use organic methods inside where you prepare food, and stronger pesticide-based products outside where the flies breed. For those who prefer a more natural approach, organic products like fly-repelling plants, which include basil and lavender, can be effective. You can also use essential oils like eucalyptus or citronella in diffusers or sprays around the home. Simply add a few drops into distilled water to make a spray. Organic fly traps are another great option, using non-toxic baits to lure and trap flies without chemicals. If you're dealing with a more severe infestation, pesticide-based products might be necessary. However, there are plenty of organic products which do the trick too. These include fly sprays and baits. Baits are particularly effective outdoors, where they can be placed in areas where flies tend to gather. Sprays are quick acting and can be used directly on flies or in areas where they congregate. Next, consider where to place these products for maximum effectiveness. Flies tend to hang out in specific locations depending on their type. Indoors, they're often found near windows, doors, kitchen areas, and around rubbish bins. Make sure to place fly traps or sprays in these areas to catch them where they're most active. Installing or repairing fly screen on doors and windows can help prevent flies too. And there you have it, plenty of things to do to keep pesky flies at bay. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.